recorded. That's all I said.
You don't have to hit no button besides the remote.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
How are you?
Well, how are you?
I'm good. This is 210460FY, State of Michigan versus James Shelby Blake. Mr. Blake, would you state your full name for me, please, sir?
My name is James Shelby Blake. Najma Messiah Blake.
Mr. Blake, today is the time for your arraignment. There is a signed form in the file indicating that you do not want the assistance of court-appointed attorney for your arraignment. Is that accurate?
Yes, ma'am. I have an attorney that I like to consult as soon as I get free from this situation that I'm in.
Understood. Sir, for the purposes, I'm sorry.
I haven't been able to use the phone at all. I haven't been able to use the phone at all in the last 3 days, almost of my incarceration time here. So I'm kind of been out of shape, but go ahead. I'm sorry. You have the floor, ma'am, Judge, Your Honor.
No, Mr. Blake, I can't imagine. The reason why we're here again is for the arraignment. Sir, it's alleged that on June the 2nd, 2021, in Van Buren Township, you committed the offense of count 1, weapons, dangerous weapons, using self-defense spray device. It's alleged that you did use a self-defense spray or foam device to eject, release, or emit aloe resin capsaicin at another person, to wit, Zayed Alfred. I'm sorry, Mr. Blake, just bear with me for 1 second. That's okay. Zayed Alfred, that's Z-E-Y-A-D, contrary to MCL 750.224D sub B. Sir, this is considered a high court misdemeanor, punishable by up to 2 years in jail and or up to $2,000 fine. It's a mandatory forfeiture of the weapon or device.
Okay.
Sir, you have a right to have an assistance of counsel and to a trial. There was a petition for a court-appointed attorney on the front of the file. I have signed that. I heard you say that you have counsel that you may be retaining when you're released. But I wanted to let you know that I've signed that part of it. Okay?
Right.
The next step in the arraignment is to set your bond. The police, the Van Buren Public Safety Department, does not oppose your personal bond. It is the court's inclination to set you on a personal bond. Do you have any objection to that?
Well, I'm running low on money. I haven't been able to pay my rent this month because I've been here, but I don't know.
Mr. Blake, I'm setting your bond at a personal bond. That means you don't have to post any money. Correct. That's why I said, do you have any objection? Your only response should have been no objection.
Yeah, they could just rip that thing off of there then if it's like that. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do for the record, Your Honor, I didn't touch that. Okay.
For the purposes of the arraignment, the court will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Okay? And set bond at $3,000 personal. That means that you don't have to post anything, but you must appear for your next proceedings. You have a condition, sir. The condition of your bond is that you not return to 2 locations. That being the AT&T store at 9556 Belleville Road and Atchison Ford at 9700 Belleville Road. Both of those are in Van Buren Township. Okay.
Okay. Oh, never.
Your next court date.
So how long before I can return there? A year?
Or do not return there during the pendency of this case. While this case is going on, do not return to either location. Your next court date will be your PCC. That's your probable cause conference. That is scheduled for Wednesday, June the 16th, 2021. That will be at 10:45 a.m. and that will be with Judge Green. Before you leave Van Buren today, they're going to give you a notice with that date and time on it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Blake, do you have any questions, not about the case, but about today's proceedings?
I understand the case. Well, no, I don't have any questions. No, ma'am. I believe that you
Okay.
said, if I recap right, you said I'm not to, while the case is pending, not to return to either or Atchison or the phone, the AT&T store. Either or.
Correct, sir.
Then you said
Correct.
that the court date for the first hearing is on June 16th. I think that's clashing with another court date that I have with something else pending, but I have as soon as I get out of here and I get my phone back activated, I will call you and I will, I will let my lawyer know that I have spoke with you.
Okay.
And then there'll be some more paperwork coming in.
Possibly.
Possibly.
Anything else, Mr. Blake?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else, Van Buren?
That was Zoom, correct? This is a
Correct.
Zoom conference with them? Okay, and that was
Yes, sir.
June 17th, the 17th, correct?
16th.
Oh, 16th, I'm sorry.
June
All right.
16th
Okay,
at 10:45, 1045 with Judge Green.
got it. Thank you, ma'am.
I'll walk the file downstairs, okay?